Hello YouTubers, I'm sitting in Clifford, my red 4Runner today, and I just came back from the post office and I have an unboxing video for you all. I did cut open the box already with my carbon fiber ZT. It's one of my favorites. Fantastic knife, highly recommend it. But now let's unbox this bad boy. What we got here is a marathon watch. It's got some decent packaging. It's okay, it's not great. It is a general purpose quartz with a date. The case is 316L stainless steel. It says IAW MIL W 46374G Type 1 Class 1. I have no idea what any of that means. I think the model number is WW 1940-15 SS for stainless steel. Look at that. Some nice action. To get some ASMR. It's very nice. Anyway, pull it out. Decent box. Kind of corrugated cardboard. And that's what the watch looks like. Now, you'll notice, immediately it is a small watch. I believe it's 39 millimeters, maybe even smaller. Looks like it has a little thing in there. Let's take off the IWC, which we talked about on our last video, and put on the marathon. Interesting. Now, interestingly, the strap looks like it's put on backwards. I'm used to the clasp being on the top. So let's take this out. Now, okay, this is interesting. So the crown is not a screw down crown. And this feels kind of cheap. The crown isn't screwed down. But I guess it is. On the back it says it's waterproof to 3 atmospheres. So that's not bad. It is 25 millicuries. Fantastic. And 3 jewels. Swiss made. 316L steel. The spring bars are decent. It's got some nice inscription on the back. So anyway, let's put this, so this is on the top, like it should be. It's also a quartz watch, if I didn't mention that already. Put that on the middle. Put this here. Yeah, that would have worked if I put it the right side. So this is gotta go this way. Fascinating. I know everyone just loves watching a person struggle with basic activities. So let's go down here. This is interesting. I don't know. It just seems, it does not seem like a very nice band, but that's okay. Now, I don't have the world's biggest wrist, but it is on one of the last little tabs there, and that's what it looks like on the wrist. Definitely a small watch. There's nothing wrong with a watch of this size. In fact, I think it actually is pretty attractive. But let's say you could even put it on the inside like this, like if you really want it to be tactical, high speed, low drag. But I think it's decent. I think it looks nice. We can kind of compare it to the size of the IWC. I think it's attractive. It's attractive. It's simple. I think it would look nicer with a better band, but I think for now it looks nice. I do like the Swiss made, and I do like the US government marking on it. Thanks very much. Talk soon. Talk soon, or maybe I should have a better sign off, like, hey, listen to this.